Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. In this video we will discuss about the 24 hours clock, measurement of time, subject physics. Now we will start our class. See here in this video what is mean by 24 hours class, 24 hours clock, okay, and difference between the 24 hours and 12 hours clock, okay. See here learning about 24 hours clock, okay. In this one, a day, generally a day consists how many hours? A day consists of 24 hours, yes or no? A day consists of 24 hours. So that's why the trains and aeroplane schedules are the expressed in 24 hours clock, 24-hour clock, okay. Generally when you are observing the train, railway stations and airports, the maximum here they used 24-hour clock only, 24-hour clock only, okay. Why? Because a day consists how many hours here? 24 hours, okay. Now what is 24-hour clock? See here in a 24-hour clock, the first point is a day starts from midnight of a day. Here in 24 hours clock, first point what here? Starting time, starting point is equal to midnight of the day, means today, just assume, okay. Here starting time what here? Starts from midnight of a day, and ends at next midnight. Ends also midnight only, ending time also midnight only, but next day ending time also midnight, same starting time, ending time both are same, but here day difference, midnight of the next day, means from today midnight to next day midnight to 24 hours completed, means 24 hours clock. Starting point is the midnight of the today and ending time midnight of the next day, here ends at next midnight, okay na? Right, next. Here time from 12 o'clock at midnight to 12 o'clock noon is expressed as AM, means anti-meridian. Here what is the meaning of AM? Here AM is nothing but from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. From midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock we express the time AM, means anti-meridian in 12 hours clock, okay. In 12 hours clock what is the AM, means anti-meridian, means what here? Time from 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon, 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon we express it in AM, in 12 hours clock, okay na? This point. See, the time from 12 o'clock at midnight to 12 o'clock at noon is expressed as AM, anti-meridian, over. Next point. Time from 12 o'clock at noon to 12 o'clock at midnight is expressed as PM. Time from 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight, that is the post meridian. See here. PM. 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. 12 o'clock midnight is nothing but what here? PM. In 12 hours clock we express to post meridian the time between the 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight. 12 o'clock noon to 12 o'clock midnight we express in post meridian or PM, okay na? Now next one, See here, according to 12 hours clock, 00 hours means now only day started is nothing but 12 o'clock at midnight. 12 o'clock at midnight, the starting of day, 12 o'clock at midnight. Okay, in 24 hour clock, 12 hours represents 12 o'clock at noon. 12 o'clock at noon. 12 o'clock at noon. Okay, see some table is there, 24 hours clock and 12 hours clock. See here, conversions. According to 24 hour clock, 16 hours is nothing but, according to 12 hour clock, 16 am. 16 am. 7:25 is nothing but 7:25 am. 14:55 is nothing but 2:55 pm. See here, 14:55. 24 hours clock, 24 hour clock time is the 14:55. We have to change in 12 hours, 12 o'clock, 12 hours clock to 14:55 subtract minus 12 hours. We will get to 2:55. Okay, put here pm. Why? Because 14:55 is the more than 12 na, that's why we have to subtract 12. Subtract 12, we will get the 2:55. Here above 12 o'clock means we have to write the pm. Why? Because the pm indicates noon to midnight. Noon to midnight. Okay, next 18:15 also. 18:15 also minus 12. Minus 12, we will get to 6:15. 6:15 pm. 15:20 also minus 12. 3:20 pm. 12:35 also minus 12. 0:35 means the noon. It to noon. Okay, noon 35 minutes means in our 12 hours clock generally we use 12:35 or 35 pm. Next 17:35 minus 12, here 5:35 pm. 5:35 pm. Okay na? Next 14:30, have to subtract 12, we get 2:30 pm. Here 14:30. 14:30 hours in 24 hours clock minus 12 will get to 2:30 pm. This is the 12 hours clock. 12 hours clock. Okay na? See here, when we have to convert to 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock, if time is more than the 12, just we have to subtract 12 from given time and keep the pm. The correct answer will come. Okay, if time is present at 24 hour clock more than 12, just we have to subtract 12 from the given time and we have to add pm. Why? Because the time indicates noon to midnight. Okay na? Right. See here, only 6:40 is there. Only 6:40 nothing but what here in morning time, that is the 6:40 am only. 6:40 am. Okay, 17:15 means nothing but here already minus 12 will get 5:15 pm. 5:15 pm. See here, when in 24 hours clock, okay, less than 12, just we have to write as it is same and keep am. Write am. Okay, if greater than more than 12, we have to subtract from 12 given time and we will write the pm. This is the 24 hour clock and 12 hour clock. Okay na? For example, in 24 hour clock time is the 23 hours. Now have to convert into 12 hours, just because 23 hours minus 12 hours, how much? 11 pm. Night 11 pm is correct answer. Okay, See here. "24 hours clock, 12 hours clock. Time 23 hours is nothing but 23 minus 12, 11 p.m. Okay na? For example, here 11 hours is nothing but generally 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Okay. For example, 20:30. Here 20:30 minus 12. How much? 8:30 p.m. Night 8:30 p.m. 8:30 hours means 8:30 a.m. Okay. This is the 24 and 12 hours time. Okay. So here one question given, complete the following table. Okay. Train, place, arrival time. We have to find the given time into 12 hours clock. They are given in 24 hours clock. See here Charminar Express, Secunderabad. Okay, now 1850 they give time. We have to convert into 12 hours clock. Now only completed 1850. 12 minus 12. How much you will get? 6:50 p.m. 6:50 p.m. Why? Because this time indicates noon to midnight. That's why we have to write the p.m. Okay, right. Next, Krishna Express, Tirupati, 6:30. Only 6:30 they give. Simply 6:30 a.m. is the correct answer. 6:30 a.m. is the correct answer. Okay na? Subscribe my channel. Okay, next video we will discuss in next topics. In next video we will start measurement of temperature. Measurement of temperature also we are having 2 videos. Okay, after measurement of temperature we have to do some practice questions, 2 or 3 videos. Then we will start motion chapter. Okay, now we have to follow our channel regularly and please subscribe my channel, and if you are like our videos, please give one like to this video. Okay, share my channel to your friends and your relatives. Okay, thank you.